Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to the class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Finally, we will be able to complete a chapter today, right? Along
Yes.
with exercises, we can say not the question answer, at least the exercises, so we can do only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Get
Good
started.
afternoon.
Yes, Paridi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome back to the class.
Ma'am, I couldn't join the
Ma'am,
morning
are you
class.
okay? Ma'am, your voice is something like that you have cold or
No, I have been speaking continuously since morning, maybe because of that.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
couldn't join the morning class.
Ma'am, you are looking so pretty.
Yes, ma'am. As always.
Yeah,
Yes,
why?
ma'am.
Let her complete. Zara is trying to say something. Let her complete that. Yes, Zara.
Ma'am, I couldn't join the first lecture as of the connectivity issues.
It's okay, beta. No worries. Yes, let's get started. Again, seems to be an all-girls class. No boy has joined till now. Wow. Motchal is joining.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Where is the PDF gone? Oh. Just a minute. Yeah. So we have done till where?
Ma'am, we have done
Ma'am,
till
actually, I was disconnected at last.
I think
Ma'am,
we have
70,
completed
74.
Have we completed Avadh? We have completed the global
Yes,
connection.
ma'am.
Or not?
Yes, ma'am. We have you have underlined make us underline as books the important war. And ma'am, till Rohilkhand to Awadh in 1774 you are explaining Rohilkhand that you also know in Bareilly Rohilkhand.
Have we completed Hyderabad or not? Tell me that.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Right.
You are
Ouch.
telling Rohilkhand.
Today I joined from another laptop. That is why it is coming so bright. Okay. So let's get started with Hyderabad. We have completed Awadh. We now get to know that okay, Rohilkhand, where we are living today, was a part of Awadh, which was annexed by the emperor, right? Well, by the emperor, who was it? I think it was which emperor did that?
Ma'am of like who founded Hyderabad?
Who found out? No. How can he do
Ma'am,
that?
Aurangzeb?
No.
Aurangzeb?
Yeah.
Ma'am, Nizamul
Shujaudwala.
Shah.
It was Shujaudwala, right? It was Shujaudwala who annexed Rohilkhand and included it as a part of Awadh, right? Now let's talk about Hyderabad. So the state of Hyderabad was founded by Nizam Mulk Asaf Jah in 1724. Okay. After the death of Aurangzeb, as we all know that the Mughal Empire was in shambles, right? It was very weak, right? So Mughal power weakened considerably, and the Mughal emperor was unable to punish the Nizam because they were not as strong that they could punish the Nizam. The Nizam, confirmed as the viceroy of the Deccan, granted a title of Ashraf Jah by emperor in 1725, and then the emperor granted him the title of Asaf Jah, right? And he became the viceroy of the Deccan area, and he started his own province named as Hyderabad. He became practically independent. Practically, if you see, he was taking all the decisions by himself. He was not considering the thought. He was not considering even the opinion of the emperor, not even discussing anything with him. He was just taking decisions by himself, right? Yes, Brinda, read next. From Ashraf Jah was able to garner. Brinda, can you hear me? She left the meeting.
Ma'am, she got disconnected.
I know, like something like that must have happened. Okay, fine. Now No. You people have read in the morning, no? Zara will read.
No, ma'am, I haven't.
Okay.
Ma'am, not
get the
me.
chance. Okay, now next you'll get.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Zara.
Sania,
read.
Nishika, and Matash.
Can I read? Ma'am, they all people have written morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sania,
Ma'am,
read.
Nishika, Matash.
Read.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. The state of Hyderabad was founded by
Asaf
the
Jah was
Nizam.
able to garner. This is where
Yeah.
you have to read from. Second paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. Asaf Jah was able to garner the support of many commanders, skilled soldiers, and administrators from northern India who
Exploited.
who exploited the new opportunities in the south. He appointed Mansabdars and the granted Jagirs. He did not face any interference from Mughal emperor, who merely confirmed the decisions. The
Right,
reforms.
stop here. Stop here. Right, so Ashok Jah was able to garner many of the commanders killed, and no, like he was like whosoever was not working efficiently, he just took them out. Right, he and the ones who were not able to, who were exploiting the new opportunities in the south, were not realizing that how do we have to reutilize them. They were not able to capture them, so he did not face any interference from the Mughal emperor. Right, merely confirmed his decisions. Like he was like, "I'm doing this. Shall I do it? You can do it." This is the kind of confirmation only he was taken there. Right, not like discussing things or something like that, no, and neither the emperor interfered in his working. Right, yes, Sara, read next.
Yes, ma'am.
Sara, you don't need to read Sara ka Sara, only read the small para. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. The reformers initiated by the Nizam.
Initiated. The reforms initiated, not reformers. The reforms initiated.
The reforms initiated by Nizam included the establishment of peace and security by suppressing all disaffected nobles and putting down theft and robbery efforts to stop the plundering raids of the Marathas, and revival of agriculture industry by giving initiatives to farmer and craftsmen.
Okay, thank you so much. So, like Sara read for us, she told us that the reforms initiated by him included the reforms which he initiated included the establishment of peace security, right, of people of peace and security by suppressing all disabled nobles, the ones who are not working efficiently. He suppresses them and put down the theft, robbery, efforts to stop plundering raids of Marathas, although he was only partially successful in that, not completely, and revival of agriculture industry by giving incentives to farmers and craftsmen. That's how he helped us in reviving or in helping the agriculturists as well. Okay, so he seemed to be a good king for his kingdom. That's all about the chapter, children. Have you understood it properly? Please tell me quickly. Any doubts you have?
No, ma'am.
No. Very
No.
good. Now let's begin with
Ma'am,
this.
like in examination, the dates will also come from between.
We can come.
Ma'am, like that are not the main of that chapter.
Major events, major dates, not the minor one. Yes, Zara?
Okay.
Ma'am, can you please explain the second last para?
Can you speak a bit louder, Zara? I cannot hear you, beta.
Ma'am, can you please explain the second last para?
The second last para. In the second, just a minute, beta. Yeah. In the second last para, the one like they have just said that he did not keep anyone who was not efficient. He took out all the inefficient commanders and administrations. He was able, like, from the northerns who exploited the opportunities in the south, right? He was able to get them, like in case he wanted them in his kingdom, he got them from the other kingdom, and he just took out the ones who were not efficient from his own kingdom, right? He appointed Mansabdars and gave them Jagirs, and he did not face any interference from Mughal emperor while taking in decisions. Neither he discussed him, he just confirmed his decisions. Like, sir, I'm going to do this. Shall I do? He said, yes, okay, you can do this. And that's how it went, like. Very smooth. Okay, Sarah. Right now, next is the global connections. Here we are going to read about the French Revolution and the American Revolution. Okay, so Zara, would you like to read?
Okay, ma'am.
But you
In
need to speak a
Europe,
bit louder because we are not able to hear you, Zara.
Okay, ma'am. In Europe and America, until the last 18th century, people did not have much say in the functioning of the government. First of all, the Americans and the French challenged the social and political privileges enjoyed by the aristocrats in their own country. During the French Revolution, the middle classes, peasants, and artisans fought against the special rights enjoyed by the clergy and the nobility. They believed that aristocrats should not enjoy privileges based on birth. The philosopher held that the authority of the government should come from the people who must possesses the right to participate in its affairs. The American Revolution 1776 and the French Revolution 1789 give the people citizenship, rights, and status, and paved the way for democratic governments. The democratic movement of the late 18th century proclaimed the principles of popular sovereignty.
So
Even
virginity.
today,
So
sovereignty.
virginity.
Even today in Paris, the words liberate frenate, that is liberty, equality, and fraternity, which were the slogans of the French Revolution, are ensured in the basic philosophy of the government and the citizens.
Okay. Right, children. So as she read, she told us about that. We got to know with her reading that okay, during the late 18th century, people of America and Europe did not have any say in the government, in the working of the government, in the policy making or anything like that. They were mere what? They were mere the subjects of the kings or the monarchs who were ruling. Right? That's it. Okay. Sanya, listen to me first, then mark the answers. Okay. Right. So, first of all the Americans and the French challenged the social political privileges. Like, you know that in France, society was divided into three estates. First estate, second estate, and third estate. The first estate included the clergy. Clergy refers to know what? What was the meaning of clergy? Turn off your mic and then turn on your mic and then speak. No, unmute yourself.
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, may you please repeat that word?
I'm asking, do you know who were clergy?
Ma'am, clergy.
Yes.
Ma'am, like they are, ma'am, ma'am, they are of part of French
They're
city,
part of French.
France.
France. Basically, the clergy refers to know what? The clergy referred to the people of the church, right? The people of the church, like
Yes, ma'am,
these we
like they
call
are from Christian society.
the bishops or the fathers, the priests, they were known as clergy. These people have lots and lots of benefits, right? They had lots of benefits. They were not supposed to give any taxes and all and all. They received many privileges too. The same goes for the nobles. Nobles refer to the people
So,
who
ma'am, like
stay
there
in
were
the
many clergies there.
yeah, the nobles refer to the people who work in the court of the king, right? The ministers of the king were known as the nobles, and they also did not have to pay any taxes, and they also enjoyed many privileges. So later on, when the people got education, they raised objection on this. They were like, "Why is it happening? Why are they not getting? Why are they getting these privileges by birth? Why we are not getting?" The third estate included of businessmen, traders, and all the middle class people and the lower class people, and they had to pay all sorts of tax and everything. Then they revolted. Many philosophers came which gave the ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity, which we are using nowadays as well, right? And this changed the situation. The ideas of democracy also, we have adopted all these ideas of democracy, equality, all these things from the French and American revolutions, right? The constitution was also made there. They also, like the philosophers came up with these ideas, and then the leaders of our country also got influenced by them. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now let's get started with the question. What kind of government does India have now? Hanya.
Ma'am,
Please tell me,
democratic.
Hanya. Do you know what kind of government do we have now?
Ma'am, democratic.
Hanya, what do you think?
Yes.
What kind of government do we have?
Monarchy. Monarchy.
What kind of government do we have?
Sarah
in
is
India?
only giving the answer.
Sarah, you'll have to be quiet. Yes, Hanya, you give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I was not giving correct answer.
Yes, Hanya. What kind of government do we have in India? Let's just tell me that. Sham, can you tell me?
Ma'am, can I?
No. Sham, can you tell me what kind of government do we have in India? Yes, beta, speak up. Sham, speak up, but your voice is not coming. Vrinda, can you speak up?
Yes,
Can you tell me what kind of government do we have in India? Yes, we have democratic government, Hanya. What kind of government do we have, beta? Hanya? Yes, Hanya. What kind of government do we have? Tell me now. Hanya, speak up now, beta. Now that she gave the answer. These are the basic things which we must know about a country. But our country is a democracy,
Ma'am, we have read
which means
civics
we are ruling ourselves. We are not being ruled by
Yes.
any king, any dictator, any monarch, right? We
We
are
are
an
free to
independent
do.
nation. We have a democracy. Can you give me an example of a country which is still a monarchy?
Ma'am, London.
London is a monarchy, no?
Sorry,
No,
ma'am,
ma'am,
earlier
ma'am.
it was.
Ma'am, maybe Saudi Arabia, their kings are there, like maybe
Yes,
they were
Saudi
ma'am,
Arabia.
Saudi
is-
Arabia.
Yes, Saudi Arabia,
Yes, ma'am, they
and
were. And ma'am, the Queen Elizabeth, ma'am,
that
is
is
Elizabeth.
again, that is a constitutional monarchy because there they have the queen as well.
yes, ma'am.
But along with that, they also have prime minister and all.
They
Na?
also prime
So their
minister.
powers
Yes,
are
ma'am.
limited by the constitution. Hence, it is known as constitutional monarchy. Okay, and North Korea is also an example of monarchy.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am, North
Yes,
Korea.
ma'am.
Ma'am, living
He
president.
does whatever he wants to. He banned laughing for 10 days. Nobody can laugh. Nobody can celebrate.
Ma'am, they have like 70
Ma'am,
years.
and that
like-
day when his father got dead, in those days, ma'am, they people can't
Ma'am,
go from
Bhutan.
anywhere because ma'am, if they go to
Ma'am,
South
Bhutan.
Korea, there are so many, like they can't buy the ships because these
Ma'am,
are
in
not
Canada
allowed.
also.
And
I-
ma'am,
But
if
still,
they go
no,
to
Canada is
China,
not a monarchy, but Canada is a democracy. Yes, Zara.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
there's
but
a
like they had a
rule-
queen, Ma'am, Elizabeth
Canada.
II. They
No,
had a queen,
Britain.
Ma'am, Elizabeth
Britain
II.
has not had
Sorry,
this.
ma'am. I was saying, sorry, ma'am.
Yes, Zahra has to say something. Yes, Zahra.
Ma'am, like there's a rule in Korea after 30, all the men's have to go in military for 2 years.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that is what, no?
Yes,
You do
ma'am.
not have the freedom to choose your career. You do not have the freedom to laugh
Yes,
as well. So that's what something very, sad about it. Okay, the difference, if I ask you to compare the theory of absolute monarchy and democracy, then this is the major difference. In absolute monarchy, we are ruled by a monarch or a king, whereas in democracy, we rule ourselves. In a monarchy, we get the status of mere subjects of the king. हम बस king के subject होते हैं. We do not have any rights of our own. Whereas in a democracy, we get the status of a citizen, right? We are treated as a citizen. We do not have any rights of our own. We do not have any citizenship rights in monarchy. Where do we have the same? We have them in democracy. right? So children, the chapter is done. Have you understood it? Have you
Yes, ma'am. Very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
any
Nice.
doubts in the chapter? Any confusion? No?
No,
No.
ma'am.
Fine. Now let's come to the exercises quickly. The first question. The Jat kingdom attained its zenith under? Yes,
Ma'am,
Paridi.
Surjamal. Surajamal.
Surajmal. The answer is
Surajmal. Yes, ma'am.
Surajmal. Next question. Hane will give us the answer. Dash were defeated in the third battle of Panipat.
Ma'am, you told today only.
Ma'am, Marathas.
Very good, Hania. Marathas. Next question. Paridi will give us the answer. Dash, the ruler of Iran, plundered the city of Delhi in 1739 and carried away with him immense wealth. Paridi Sharma.
Ma'am, Nadir Shah.
Nadir Shah is the correct answer. Very good. Next question. It will be answered by Sarah. Yes, it was Dash who transformed the Sikhs into a warrior community. Sarah, hurry up. And please unmute yourself before speaking.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, he was maybe Guru Govind Ji.
Not maybe, he was
Yes,
Guru
ma'am.
Gobind Singh, right? Okay. Next question will be answered to us by Zehra. Yes, Zehra. The state of Hyderabad was founded by?
Ma'am, Nizamul.
Nizamul Asaf.
Nizamul Asaf Shah. Very good. Next one will be answered to us by Harshdeep. Harshdeep, can you hear me?
Ma'am, this one you also told today only.
Yes. Harshdeep, can you tell me, bacha? Can you hear me?
No, ma'am, not today because, ma'am, we have started from the emergence of new states.
Harsh and Brinda, can you hear me?
Marathas and the Peshwas we have studied from today.
Okay, fine. Listen to me. Harsh and Brinda, can you people hear me? No response. Yes, Sanya, you give the answer of this one.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I?
Sanya will give. Yes, Sanya. After
Ma'am,
Shivaji's
maybe
death, the effective control of the Maratha kingdom fell into the hands of?
Ma'am, this I haven't done, but maybe Aurangzeb. Ma'am, I don't know.
Ma'am,
Because
Peshwas.
back
The
then
answer
it
is
was written.
Peshwas. So
Ma'am, we
easy it
have
is.
Ma'am, we
But
have
ma'am,
read,
where it is written?
ma'am, we have read this today only.
When we read Maratha kingdom under Peshwas.
Ma'am, what's the spelling?
Peshwa. Peshwas.
Okay, ma'am. But ma'am, where it is written?
Can I tell check?
Under this, bache, look here. Look
Ma'am,
at the
page.
screen.
Sanya,
the
from
screen.
where we have read today.
Sorry, I have joined 10 minutes
Marathas
late.
under Peshwas, after Shivaji's death, effective control of the Maratha kingdom fell into the hands of
got it.
Peshwas. Page number 76. It is written in as many words.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, next one will be answered by Hania. Yes, Hania. Dash was an additional levy of 10% demanded from areas outside the Maratha kingdom.
Sardesh Mukhi.
Very good, Hania. Sardesh Mukhi is the absolutely correct answer. Next is Dash looked into the income and expenditure of Maratha state. Yes, Sarah.
Ma'am, I am Das looked in the income of Ma'am, may you please tell the meaning of expenditure?
Kharcha, income, kitna, how much money they're getting, how much they're spending. Who takes care of this? Abhi, you were what saying? No, we have just read the whatever we have read just today. Above it, only the answer is given.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it was.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Paridi, you tell.
Ma'am, the Putnis.
Ma'am,
Who? Paridi?
ma'am, in some important
Ma'am, where is
official Marathas administration, it is given. Ma'am, Mazumdar looked into the
Mazumdars.
income.
Mazumdar is the correct answer. Yes. Right, Mazumdars.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, may you please tell the spelling of second one?
Ma'am.
Mazumdars. 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 Sorry,
Ma'am,
next is
second
Sardesh
one.
Mukhi. Sardeshmukhi. Sardesh Mukhi. You can get
Ma'am.
the spelling from the book as well.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm the third one, botanist.
What?
Ma'am, but I'm right third botanist.
What have you written?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
botanist.
Ma'am,
saying that
ma'am,
I am
maybe she's
right
saying
third
importance.
botanist.
Importance?
No,
did she say?
ma'am.
Botanist.
No,
No.
no. That will not be the
Botanist.
answer.
Ma'am, POTNIS.
Potent. That will not be the answer. While the answer will be in second one, it will be Sardesh Mukhi. In third one, it will be Mazumdar. Okay. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am,
Now
next can be
let's-
Surajmal.
Ma'am,
No, it
can
will
I
not
tell?
be Surajmal. No. Yes, Hania, what
Ma'am-
will be the answer?
Ma'am, can I tell fourth one?
Yes, tell me the fourth one.
Ma'am, under the
Who?
under
Under? Who will tell me the answer of the fourth one?
Ma'am,
Just take care. Look at the year given. You have to be very
ma'am,
particular
you
with the year
have
given.
ma'am, you have underlined that also.
Now you
Ma'am,
tell
you
me the
say
answer,
that you
Sara.
underlined.
Tell me the answer then.
Ma'am, Gokula.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Gokula.
Ma'am,
And Gokula in 1669. Ma'am, here when I
Yes,
searched, so
Gokula
ma'am,
will
correct
come.
now.
Otherwise, Surajmal would have come. But since they have given 1669, because of the
Yes,
year,
ma'am.
they have
Ma'am, I
mentioned
haven't seen
Gokula
the
will
year.
come. Right?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to ask something. Ma'am, like the manuscript I have written, ma'am, is
Wow,
it from
very
medieval?
nice.
Ma'am,
What
is it
beta?
from medieval period? Ma'am, is it from medieval period?
What have you written? I cannot see.
Ma'am, I have sent that on group.
Right now?
That is from North India, ma'am. That much only I know.
What?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yesterday we all have sent the medieval coins and these all things.
Yeah,
on
actually
the group.
somebody sent me the coins of 5 and 6. You do 5 paisa, 6
Ma'am, the
paisa,
first
5
one.
paisa, 1 paisa. Yes, those coins are not the Those coins are not. And Sanya has made the colorful coins.
Yes, ma'am. See,
And
this is
one
sun
more
and
thing was
between
that,
something.
like in those areas,
I don't know.
that time the coins were not colorful because they were mostly made up of copper or something like that. So they were dark and rough.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
have made with clay.
I got that.
I have made with clay.
I
Yes,
got
ma'am,
that.
that is
And
important in the
secondly,
case.
those 1 paisa, 2 paisa, these were not known as that. Not were of medieval era because they were of recently only, our recent past. This coin
Ma'am,
is
I was
also
just burning this area from like fire, and ma'am, like it was like the fire like spinded too much, so I have just to stop
fine.
that.
You know this is nice.
Ma'am, on Amazon, when I search, so my medieval coins are of 1 rupees of medieval coin is of 1,000 near 2,000.
What?
Ma'am, they are not only of 1 or 2,000, ma'am, they were ma'am like 1 lakh or like
Ma'am,
20,000 or like
No,
that.
ma'am. Ma'am, when I searched on on Amazon, so ma'am,
Anya,
2,000 rupees of
maybe
one.
they should be the copy of that coins.
Exactly. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am. Or
Now let's
it
talk
would
about
be
the
of recently only.
Yeah. Now let's talk about fifth one. Very nice, Sanya. Next is regional power arose in Hyderabad under dash after decline of the Mughal power. We have just read it. Brinda, tell us the answer
Ma'am,
of the
what?
fifth one.
Ma'am, what?
Regional power arose in Hyderabad under dash after decline of Mughal power. We have just read it, children. Hurry up. Brinda, tell me the answer. Baba Nizam of Hyderabad, Nizam Mulk Ashraf Jah. That will
Ma'am,
be the
may I?
answer. The
Yes,
answer is
ma'am.
Nizam Mulk Ashraf Jah.
It is founded by Nizam Mulk Ashraf.
Yeah, hurry up, write it down. Done? Next, let's come to the true and false. Okay. Now, Nadir Shah invaded India 5 times between 1748 and 1761.
Ma'am, it's false.
Ma'am, it's-
False. Why?
No,
Yes.
Why is it false?
Ma'am, because Nadir Shah has not invaded India.
Ma'am,
Acha.
Ahmad.
Sorry, ma'am. I was thinking that of Nizamul.
It is no, ma'am. It is correct. It is false because Ahmad
Yes, ma'am.
Shah Abdali invaded
It
India
is
5
very,
Yes,
but it
ma'am.
is
ma'am,
false. But because it was Ahmad Shah Abdali who invaded India
Yes,
5 times between
Ahmed Shah.
1748 and
Yes,
1761.
ma'am.
So first one is false. First
Ahmad
one is false.
Ma'am,
Shah
can I tell second?
30. Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Madam.
Ma'am, can I tell second?
Second one is
Ma'am, true.
the question.
ma'am.
Just let me go to the question.
Ma'am, ma'am, in that way we should not tell, ma'am, like everyone will not get chance.
The second question is the Jat kingdom attained its zenith under Surajmal. That is, we have already done that. That yes, it is true.
Yes,
only.
ma'am.
Right. Next is Shivaji emphasized on agriculture improvement, thus benefiting all the peasants. Is it true?
Ma'am, it is
False.
false because ma'am mobilized the peasants in his army. Ma'am, he's not agriculture. Yes, ma'am, it is not like ma'am, it is false.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Just
Ma'am, false.
see if you go through this passage, but then Shivaji has worked for the peasants, right?
Ma'am, he has worked on peasants, but ma'am, not on agriculture, ma'am, because
I
here
think
is written. Shivaji was successful because ability of to mobilize the peasants in his army, exploitation by exploitation by Jagidars and Zamindars. Ma'am, this is half correct and half wrong.
It's false. Because,
Notice
ma'am, like it's not correct full.
And who has worked for the benefit of these peasants then? What would be the correct statement?
Ma'am, like Shivaji worked for the benefit of these, but not for like they not emphasize the agriculture.
Yes, ma'am.
It will be, I think, Nizam of Hyderabad did that. But he has, like, I think it is true because he has worked on agriculture improvement. He has worked for these people.
Ma'am, maybe search on Google.
Yes, ma'am. Maybe got it, ma'am. Maratha through partition.
Exactly,
Ma'am,
he
Maratha.
has.
True, ma'am. True. Ma'am,
Because
has.
see, why did he marry even the Zamindar's daughter? For this only, right?
Yes, ma'am. Got it. True.
Okay, so the statement which is like still I'm rechecking it once. Because Shivaji has done that, right? It is true only, right, children? So he has
Yes,
worked on that, right? He has done that. He knew the importance of.
Ma'am,
So it will be
first one
true.
is also true.
Next is the Marathas seized Malwa and Gujarat from the Mughals.
ma'am, true.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Marathas
false.
false. The Mughals
Ma'am,
seized
it is.
the Mughals seized Maratha Malwa and Gujarat, not the Marathas.
Yes, ma'am.
It is false. Next is Murshid Quli Khan transferred the capital from Awadh from Dhaka to Murshidabad.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. True.
Ma'am, ma'am, it is true.
False.
But ma'am, why
Ma'am,
Dhaka is here?
It is
No,
false.
ma'am, it is.
Ma'am,
but
he
ma'am, Dhaka is
transferred
there.
to Murshidabad.
Murshidabad. You
but
have to
ma'am,
read
only
the
Awadh.
question. It was of
Yes.
Bengal, not of Awadh.
Yes, ma'am. It was of Bengal.
You have to
Yeah.
be very
Not of
particular about the dates, about the names. Now send me exercises quickly, everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Just send me.
Hurry up.
Ma'am, sent it and is loading.
Tomorrow you will do the question answers, children.
Ma'am, Palak ma'am has sent the recording. I am able to see my face. Is
Yeah,
it
even I
this
saw
way?
that.
Because Sania, that time like you was on spotlight, and after that the all students was like.
I was like,
So children, are you understanding your history or SST properly? Are you having any doubts in it?
ma'am.
Any trouble?
No, ma'am.
No?
No,
But
ma'am.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the project you have given about the working project. So, ma'am, in the working project, like, if we have to work, like हम उसको दबाएं तो फिर work होना चाहिए उसमें खुद ही उसमें आ जाए. So, ma'am, for the electricity use, so ma'am, how to do it? Ma'am, is it any
You
way?
will be able to do it. Don't worry. I'll just tell you about it. You know what? A class 4 child has made such a nice project with electricity. He made the project in which he was able to find the capital of states by just clicking on two things. And I showed it to him. I was like, but even
Ma'am,
if you're
like,
able to do it, just make it
ma'am,
only
what
if
Ma'am,
you're
he
able
was
to make
making
it.
a circle. Maybe he is the circle and then he is rolling down and.
ma'am, may you please tell again what we have to do?
Abhi, I haven't told you about the project. I have just said that I will be giving you a project to do.
Yes, ma'am, you said that is in July.
Harshdeep, send in your
that
work.
is the part
Harshdeep
of-
has not sent. Zehra has sent. Harshdeep.
Ma'am,
is
I have
there for
also
you.
not sent, ma'am. I am sending.
Ma'am, when
Hardeep
we'll
and
come in
Sarah.
class 8, then you will give?
Yes, in class 8 I'll give.
Okay, ma'am.
Because
So,
now the
ma'am,
exams. Now the exams are coming. Our concern is exams.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to focus on our exams, not on
Exactly.
like
So
that.
after the exams in class 8 I'll give you.
And ma'am, that is in June or like July.
Yep.
ma'am, what is your
That's in
birthday date?
May. No, the exhibition will be in May.
May.
most probably.
Ma'am, what
Okay.
is your birthday date?
Right, children?
Ma'am, like I have many different ways to conserve like water or electricity or like that.
That's nice.
And
Okay,
ma'am,
kids,
when
let's
CET
discuss
ma'am
the
gave
question
us
answers. Is
that
10
is
to
fine.
20 words, which we now we'll not discuss.
Ma'am, just
1 minute is left.
Ma'am,
We'll do tomorrow now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, in 1 minute, you may tell what is your birthday date?
When's my birthday?
Ma'am,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
we
like
even
it's fast.
celebrated in school.
You should remember that.
Ma'am,
it
I
was-
forgot.
Now it's
Ma'am,
your
the date I
fault.
forgot.
Now it's your fault.
I'll tell
Yes,
her,
ma'am,
please.
it's her fault too.
Yep.
Ma'am, at that day, we are at Taekwondo ground and I haven't wished you. Ma'am, that day I feel so
And your
sorry.
class wished me like anything. They all were just shouting. They all did not even open the gate. For 2 minutes, I have to tell them, please open the gate.
Krishna.
Yeah, it was
Ma'am,
Krishna.
but like we are